For the second video in the 31 Days of Halloween challenge, we're doing a pop zombie based off the amazing works of Calla Lily linked below. Be sure to like and subscribe for all the looks coming up for Halloween. Today we're going to start by popping in some creepy contacts. I've got a Desio lens in one eye and a Primal contact in the other. Both are linked down below. With a reference picture up, we'll start by outlining the ribs and areas of damage on the chest and the face. Going in with the teal body paint, fill in all the spaces outside the white areas we marked before with an even layer. For the eye area, take a white body paint and blend under the eyes to highlight. Seal with a white powder. Use the white powder to highlight the centers of the face, the collarbones, and the neck area. Seal everything with a translucent powder. Use a deep gray eyeshadow to sculpt the sides of the face, as well as the collarbone hollows, the sides of the neck, and the forehead. Using the same gray, sculpt the teal side of the nose up into the brow bone. Shade below and darken the sides of the tip and along the top of the nostrils for detail. For the eyes, blend the gray into the crease, blending upwards, keeping majority of the color at the outer point, and carry along the bottom lid as well. With an angled brush, blend with black shadow closest to your lash line all the way across, extending into a double cat's eye along your upper and lower lids. Blend the black into the crease and onto the outer half of the upper lid. Follow with a liquid black liner on the top for darker details. Moving on to the brows, line the top and bottom connecting at the outer points with a black liner. Fill in the outer third with black body paint, leaving the bare areas that we marked before in the damaged areas. For the start of each brow, make vertical strokes that angle off into the solid brow areas. Line your teal side lips lightly with a black pencil. Add fine detail lines on the face and the neck areas. Outline the damaged areas with broken lines, leaving a teal space from where we created the outlines at the beginning. Fill the teal half with a deep red lipstick and blend. Press with some red shadow to set and blend the outer edge with a little black shadow. Fill the bones of the chest with white body paint. With red body paint, fill the lower half of the teal side of the chest, the area behind the bones, and the damaged areas of the face. Be sure to add 2 layers to intensify the colors and allow to dry. Darken the red along the edges of the damaged areas and refine the points. Create horizontal lines in the red areas behind the bones. For the other side, make vertical lines on the top half of the red and horizontal curves on the bottom half. Blending in some black, blend the edges further and starting areas of the lines you created and blend inward a bit. Build layers until you're happy with the depth and the detail. Begin blending black into the broken lines you made outside the red areas. Smudge as needed to create damage to the teal skin. Do the same to the neck and the chest. With gray shadow, blend onto the ends and the bottom of the bones. Take a very fine brush and water down black body paint and detail the very edges of everything and blend onto the red portions. Use white body paint to add teeth-like shapes. Now, it's a lot easier when there's no red, so I do recommend removing it with a Q-tip, which I did not do, but be sure to let it dry between layers and powder to build up that white. Add tiny white dots on the red areas to replicate highlights for a wet effect. Highlight the bones. Add dramatic lashes to your top lids on both sides and a single lower lash to the bottom of the teal side only. Smudge sketchy lines with black shadow into the shadow areas for a deeper effect. Deepen the gray edges as needed. Blend the gray and black shadows until you're happy and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I'm so very grateful each and every time that you do, and I'll see you on the next one.